Hey guys, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to do a quick review of the Roberts flooring installation kit. I recently replaced all of the flooring in my house with a luxury vinyl, and I used this basic set right here to do all of it. Now, this is for, you can do it for glue or glueless laminate and hardwood flooring. But again, like I said, I also use this for my luxury vinyl. And it's really, really basic. It comes with this kind of puller tool here, and then it comes with 50 spacers and a tapping block. So this is the tapping block that you're gonna need right here. This helps you mate the boards together, like the click and snap style. So this allows you to kind of tap the boards together. And then these are the 50 spacers that you get, and they're on an angle, as you guys can see, and this allows you to get that gap along the where the boards planks meet the actual wall of the house, where it meets the baseboards, to make sure that you guys have enough spacing for expansion. Because as we know, with hardwood and any kind of flooring, there is you got to leave a little bit of gap to allow the floor to expand and contract. But yeah, this is, like I said, I've done thousands of square feet with this flooring installation kit. Super basic. You can see right here, it comes with a nice padded slider here on your, I think they call it the this puller tool right here, this pull bar, and it allows you to get into those little tight gaps and allows you to pull the boards together to allow for that expansion, like I said. There are some instructions that come in here, but it is pretty straightforward. Yeah, I've used this for the last couple of years on 2 separate large projects, and definitely highly recommend this if you plan on doing a DIY flooring install, okay? Hopefully this provides you guys with some value, and as always, look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching another SmartTips product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.